Before we jump into the details, I want to take a moment to speak directly to you. I know that pursuing higher education abroad can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when finances are a concern. But remember, your dreams are valid, and opportunities like these are designed to help you overcome those challenges. The University of Milan Scholarships are more than just financial support. They're an investment in your future, a chance to immerse yourself in a world-class education, and an opportunity to build a network that spans the globe. If you have the passion, the drive, and the ambition, nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. Hello, dreamers. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, your ultimate guide to discovering life-changing opportunities around the globe. I have an incredibly exciting announcement for you. Imagine studying in one of Europe's most fashionable and historically rich cities, Milan, Italy, while receiving a fully funded scholarship that covers your tuition, meals, housing, and even provides a monthly stipend of 7,200 euros. Yes, you heard that right. A scholarship that makes your academic dreams not only possible, but also completely affordable. Today, we're diving into the University of Milan Scholarships for 2025 to 2026, a program offering multiple degree options for both undergraduate and graduate students. Whether you're passionate about the arts, sciences, business, or any other field, this opportunity could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll cover an overview of the scholarship and its amazing benefits, detailed eligibility criteria, a step-by-step guide on how to apply, key deadlines and tips to boost your application, and of course, I'll share the official application link so you can start your journey right away. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's unlock your future at the University of Milan. Let's break down what the University of Milan Scholarships for 2025 to 2026 have to offer. 1. Fully funded package. Tuition fees. 100% of your tuition fees are covered, so you can focus solely on your studies without financial stress. Monthly stipend. A generous stipend of 7,200 euros per month to support your living expenses. Meals and housing. The scholarship also covers accommodation costs and meal plans, ensuring you have a comfortable and secure environment to live and learn. 2. Multiple degree programs. The University of Milan offers a range of degree programs across various disciplines, including Master of Arts, MA, programs in fields like history, literature, and cultural studies. Master of Science, MSc, programs in areas such as business, engineering, and natural sciences. Doctoral programs, PhD, for those looking to pursue advanced research and academic careers. 3. International experience. Studying in Milan means you'll be immersed in a rich cultural experience. Milan is known not only for its academic excellence, but also for its global influence in fashion, art, and business. This experience will provide you with a unique perspective and a competitive edge in the global job market. 4. Career and networking opportunities. By joining one of the top universities in Europe, you'll gain access to world-class facilities, research opportunities, and a network of alumni and industry connections that can help shape your career. These benefits make the University of Milan Scholarships a truly life-changing opportunity for anyone serious about making their mark in the world. Now, let's discuss who can apply for these scholarships. The eligibility criteria are designed to ensure that talented and motivated students from around the world have a fair chance. For both undergraduate and graduate applicants, here are the typical requirements. Academic excellence. You must have a strong academic record. For undergraduate programs, this typically means being among the top in your class. For graduate programs, a solid bachelor's degree or equivalent with high marks is essential. English proficiency. Since most programs are taught in English. Passion and commitment. Your application should include a compelling personal statement or motivation letter that clearly outlines your academic and career goals, and how studying at the University of Milan will help you achieve them. Extracurricular and leadership activities. Involvement in community service, clubs, or leadership roles can strengthen your application, especially for merit-based scholarships. International applicants. These scholarships are available to students from around the world, so regardless of your country of origin, you're encouraged to apply. Step-by-step application process for the University of Milan Scholarships for 2025 to 2026. Step 1. Research your program. Begin by visiting the official University of Milan website. Explore the range of undergraduate, master's, or doctoral programs available. Choose the program that aligns best with your academic and career aspirations. Step 2. Prepare your application documents. Ensure you have the following documents ready: academic transcripts and certificates, official records from your previous education, proof of English proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL, or equivalent, personal statement/motivation letter. Clearly articulate your passion, goals, and why you deserve this scholarship. Letters of recommendation. At least 2 letters from teachers, professors, or employers who can vouch for your academic and personal qualities. Resume/CV. Highlight your academic achievements, work experience, and extracurricular activities. Step 3. Submit your application. Go to the official University of Milan Scholarships application portal. Fill out the online application form and carefully upload all your documents. Double-check every detail to avoid errors. Step 4. Pay attention to deadlines. Make sure you submit your application before the deadline. For the 2025 to 2026 programs, deadlines are typically in January 2025. Check the website for the exact date. Step 5. Monitor your application status. After submission, regularly check your email and the application portal for updates or requests for additional information. My dear Dreams Abroad Media family, opportunities like these truly have the power to change your life. The University of Milan Scholarships for 2025 to 2026 offer not only a world-class education in one of Europe's most beautiful cities, but also the chance to pursue your dreams without financial barriers. Imagine the experiences you'll gain, the friendships you'll build, and the future you can create for yourself. Your journey to academic and personal excellence starts with a single step. So, don't hesitate. Apply today and unlock the door to a brighter future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media so you never miss out on more amazing opportunities like this. Also, drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you and am here to help. Thank you for watching, and remember, your dreams are within reach and the world is waiting for you to make your mark. Until next time, keep striving, stay inspired, and let your future begin here in Milan.